2015 Quick Tach True Tilt Lift for sale in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, 57107. The True Tilt fifth wheel Quick Tach is a heavy-duty underlift that has the most extension, most retraction, more tilt, and the most lifting capacity of any lift on the market. It has a lift rating of 45,000 pounds retracted and 24,000 fully extended. It has a clear extension of 140 inches to the center of the axle forks, and nearly 160 inches to the center of the heavy-duty wheel forks when in use. The unit will tilt the full rated load in the given positions. We use 16 nylon wear pads in the boom section. Using the nylon pads both top and bottom of the sections. The main unit rolls up and down the mount on large 6-inch diameter rollers. The rollers give no friction in the up and down movement, so heavy loads can be lifted with no friction loss. The boom sections are made of 100,000 pound steel. This allows us to keep the boom height profile very short. Also, the nylon pads are set into pockets milled into the boom sections, allowing us to have only a 1/4 inch clearance between boom sections. This allows us to keep the overall boom height section very low to accommodate aerodynamics and low-profile bumpers. The hydraulic hoses are all hidden in the unit, encased in a nylon tracking chain to keep them in place free from wear and tear. Our crossbar is made of a one-piece solid steel casting made of 100,000 pound steel. The tongue in which it rotates is also one-piece cast steel 100,000 pound steel. We use spring steel connex bushings throughout the unit. In every place there is a heavy weldment or forging. We use 2.5-inch pins throughout the unit and a 3-inch pivot pin on the crossbar. We use a wide stance on our mounting pins, especially the hinge pins, so the unit can handle the huge stresses that are induced, especially while backing towed vehicles around corners into tight quarters. In that situation, large stresses are transmitted to the hinge and mount sections of the lift unit. We have standard wireless radio built into the unit. The radio is a standard feature with a 6-function controller which will control the lift for up-down, in-out, and tilt-up tilt-down operation. We can attach a winch to the gooseneck. We utilize a 750 ohms boom head attached to the top of the vertical boom. The main unit can be used as a stiff leg during winching operations. We can include a 10-function radio to also operate the winch with a radio control, operating the in and out on the winch, and incorporating an air valve with a radio to operate the free spill on the winch. This is an optional option. The unit is shipped as either an electric hydraulic or with a valve pack to be powered by the truck's PTO system. The electric hydraulic is a self-contained unit utilizing 2 electric pumps for increased volume and speed of the hydraulics. There is also a fail-safe built in so that if one motor fails the other will continue to function the unit. This unit is provided with battery cable to hook into your truck's battery for the power source. The valve pack system incorporates a valve manifold that will attach to a truck's PTO pump system. It has a built-in flow regulator to adjust the volume of the oil going to the lift unit. The manifold has an open port to attach an additional valve to operate a winch. The winch valve port is unrestricted, so the winch can be operated at the full capacity of the pump even though the lift unit is restricted. Our unit pricing includes either an electric hydraulic pump or a valve pack to tie into your truck's PTO pump. The 6-function wireless radio control plus a 25-foot hard-wired remote control. 4 sets of axle frame forks. The parking stands. And all necessary hardware to mount to a road tractor. As options, we have available the heavy-duty wheel fork set. Also offered is a boom head, or a winch mount is available if you want to attach a winch to the unit. We have the hydraulic valve and air valve kits available for the winch with the 10-function radio. The units are shipped with the gooseneck unattached to the main mount bracket. The entire lift is assembled. The pump or valve and radio is mounted in the gooseneck. The customer will only have to mount the gooseneck to the mount bracket and install 6 hydraulic hoses between the pump valves and lift unit once the unit arrives. Please check out our website at www.triplickindustries.com. Be sure to look at the pictures in our photo gallery.